Steam ovens are versatile appliances that offer a variety of cooking functions. And if you are new to steam oven cooking, our comprehensive selection of recipes here at Convection Kitchen are just what you need to get started. I began cooking with a steam oven 24 years ago when Gaggenau introduced the first steam oven for residential use to the US market. In other words, I have had plenty of practice. To understand how to get the best out of cooking with your steam oven, I find it's helpful to break down the cooking into specific functions. Let's begin with the easy one, steaming. In the steam mode, the oven defaults to 212 degrees, the temperature at which water boils. In this mode, you can poach or boil eggs, cook oatmeal and grains, steam vegetables, seafood, bone-in chicken, and of course your favorite dim sum or tamales. Our recipes and videos not only teach you how to cook these foods, they also teach you how to plan the cooking of multiple foods at one time to simplify your cooking. In addition to recipes for fabulous grain bowls and salads, we also have recipes for absolutely wonderful steamed black bean pork spare ribs, lobster tails, an amazing steam oven risotto, and many more. As you explore our recipes, you may find some new recipes, like this wonderful Italian seafood salad to add to your repertoire. When it comes to roasting in the steam oven, our recipes will help you achieve success with roasting all types of meat, fish, poultry, and of course vegetables, by providing specific temperatures, timing, cooking mode, and best types of pans to use. Steam ovens have smaller cavities than standard size ovens, so the details provided in these recipes are crucial for success. Despite the smaller cavity, you might be surprised to know that you can actually cook a 10 to 14 pound turkey in a steam oven, depending on the model, and it will only take approximately 1¼ hours. Steam ovens are ideal for baking bread, pastry, and casseroles, but also for baking delicate items such as custard, flan, and cheesecake without a water bath. So, if you're looking for a recipe to understand how to cook those items in the steam oven, you're in the right place. And if you have a recipe you want to adapt to baking in the steam oven, but are uncertain about which mode or temperature to use, then our recipes for those items will provide an accurate guideline for the temperature, mode, and timing to use. One of our favorite methods of cooking lean tender cuts of meat, poultry, and fish in the steam oven is the low temperature cooking. This method of cooking does take some time, and the food needs to be finished over high heat before serving, but the results are sublime. You will never overcook an expensive cut of meat when you use this method. Just one more amazing feature of cooking with your steam oven. Learning how to get the best out of a steam oven takes a little practice, but because our recipes are tailored for the different functions of the steam oven, you will find it easy to quickly adapt your cooking and reap the rewards of cooking with this amazing combination of convection and steam. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.